Welcome in. My name is Sweet Phil, and I bring super quick DaVinci Resolve tutorials and other content creation type of things. So if this sounds interesting to you, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe up so you don't miss any of the future videos. Now today I'm going to show you how to type emojis directly into DaVinci Resolve, and this little shortcut trick actually works for a ton of other locations. You can type right into your YouTube comments, YouTube titles or descriptions, Facebook comments. You can even use it in like Notepad or a lot of other locations. Let me go ahead and get out of the way so you don't miss anything. So first off here for DaVinci Resolve, grab just a regular text, not a text plus, but a regular text this time. I know most other times you grab the text plus, but right here, we'll come up to the inspector. We'll just get rid of the text that's already in here. Now, all you need to do is hold down the Windows key and hit the period button, and then it pops up the emoji keyboard. Here you can go ahead and add all different kinds of things. This probably looks pretty familiar to you. You can add a smiley face. You can come over and, I don't know, kids these days put eggplants everywhere, whatever. Let's say maybe you love that eggplant for whatever reason, and there you go, boom. Now with this text, you can do anything you do with normally any picture or any video. You can adjust things, twirl it around and things like that. Now, the only thing is, if you want to add any drop shadows or anything like that, you actually have to right click and make this a compound clip. Sure thing. Go ahead and add this drop shadow, and we'll go ahead and make it white so that you can actually see it on this particular background. So just keep that to note, but this will work for anything. I'll go ahead and show you right here super quick. We can go ahead and open up Notepad, hold the Windows key and hit period, and there you have the emoji keyboard right here. You do notice that they all are coming out in black and white. That's just because Notepad is a black and white only like system. But when you do it on YouTube comments or anything like that, they do come out in color. So if this video helped you out, remember like button and subscribe up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.